Managing a hotel is more than just booking rooms. It's about providing seamless experiences. However, handling reservations, room services, and guest preferences can be overwhelming. Hi, I am Nishtha, and today I'll introduce you to Odoo Hotel Management System, a tool that simplifies and elevates your hotel operations. Odoo Hotel Management System streamlines room booking, check-in check-out dates, and optional paid services. Guests can search rooms based on their needs, and you can manage everything effortlessly with a simple dashboard. Offer a customized hotel management website to enhance guest experiences. From seamless booking to tailored services, everything is designed to elevate hospitality and streamline operations. Now, why choose Odoo? With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Odoo Hotel Management System makes hotel management smoother, improving both operations and guest experiences. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now, before moving ahead with the workflow, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the future updates. So now let's start with our workflow. As you can see, we are at the backend, and with the help of email and the password, we'll log in. Once you click on login, you will redirect towards the dashboard, and in the dashboard, you can have an overview of the hotel bookings, like how many check-in and check-out requests are there, how many total availability is there, and how many rooms have been booked. You can get the overview from here. Now let's navigate towards the configuration and click on settings. In the settings, you can manage which product page you want to show to your front end from this list. And you can add the timings at what time you want the customer to make the checkout. You can add the trending products as well. Once you are done with these changes, you can save this. Now navigate towards the rooms and click on hotel rooms. Here you can see the list of the hotel rooms which you have created earlier. And for creating a new room, you can click on new. And there you have to enter the details like the name and click on is room type. Once you click on room type, you have the extra option, that is room configuration. From there, you can manage the configuration for your room. And you have to enter the general information, attributes, variants, and so on. Once you are done with these details, you can save this room and can create a new room. Now next, we can navigate towards the hotel booking. Here you can check how many rooms have been allotted, cancelled, check out, or in draft state. In short, you can check the status of the rooms. Now next, if in case you want to create a service or facility for your customer, for that navigate towards the configuration, and here you have the option of service and facility. First of all, we'll check the service. There you have the list of the services which you have created earlier. For creating a new service, click on new and write down the name and the logo for your service and can make a new service for your customers. And for the same, in the facility, navigate towards the facility, and there you can see the list which you have created earlier. And for creating a new facility, you can just write down the name and the logo and can create a new facility for your customer. Now let's check how you can purchase or book a room from our website. Navigate towards the discussion option, click on website. Here you have to write down the check-in date, check-out date, and enter the number of members. Click on search. Once you click on search, you can have the available room in your list. You can choose any of the room as per your choice. Click on book now. Here you have to make the checkout. Write down the name, age, and gender. Click on submit detail. Now you have to make the payment. Click on pay now. Booking has been done by the customer. Now you have to allot a room as an admin. So for that, navigate towards the home page again and click on sales. Now go to orders and click on quotations. There you can see the booking which we have done right now is there in the list. We'll open this. And as an admin, we can check the details entered by the customer. And once you click on confirm, there you have the option of booking. Click on booking. From this option, allot room, you can allot room for your customers. Write down the description for your customer and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can check out. But in case your customer have asked for any of the service or facilities in between, you can also add that in your invoice. Navigating towards the invoice again. Scrolling down, you have the option of add a product. You can just add a product, whichever product have been demanded by the customer. And there you can see the total of this service and facility is added to your invoice. Now you can again navigate towards the booking, and after the final payment from the customer, you can make the checkout. So this is how you can also manage your hotel bookings from our hotel management. Want to transform your hotel operations? Try Odoo Hotel Management System today. Found it insightful? Do press the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any question, you can reach us at support@webcool.com or is a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.